Hi, hello, this is Anup here, and in this video we are going to see how to unpack Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award Kit. Let's see the unboxing of Microsoft MVP Award Kit 2021, right? So this package arrived today, and without any KYC document, it got arrived at my doorstep, and pretty happy. Interesting stuff inside, stickers, badge, and lot of other stuff. Let's see. So that's a card. And it's a bit difficult to remove that. Okay, got it. It says 2021-2022. It's cool. And here it goes. The other cute little thing. Right. And there is a magnet behind that blue box, inside that, right? Okay, I'm trying to zoom it, somehow it's not happening. Okay, anyways, probably I will edit this out. Now there are some letters inside. I'm struggling to remove it with one hand. Congratulations, we are pleased to present you with award kit, right? 2021-22 award kit. Okay, cool. So let me try to take it out. I failed. That was a magnet. That's pretty cute. Now let's bring back the notice to receiver and how to keep the and code of conduct. NDA. Okay, let's bring back the previous award. I think I lost 2015 one, right? Yeah, because of some fire incident at my work. So I lost 2015 one. So that's why one is missing. This is the new one, 21-22. Cool. And that's not part of award kit. That's how to manage devices thing. Of course, this is part of award kit. Struggling to keep it there. Okay, anyways. This is the cute little one, right? I love this. It's well designed, and it says Microsoft Most Valuable Professional